Alright folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Stock number CP15578T. Now this Caravan is certified. It's got 31,000 miles on it. Billet silver in color. Looks to be in great shape. Paint's in great shape. Got painted aluminum wheels. They're 17s. Tires look brand new. Now these have the 3.6 Pentastar motor in it. Automatics. Now this interior is like a leather and a cloth inserts in the middle of them. Really good shape. Looks brand new. Power seat. Got the super console in it. CD player. Touchscreen radio. Dual temperature control zones. Cruise control. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Uconnect hands-free telephone device. Fog lamps. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Both power doors on the left and the right. Of course, these vans are equipped with a stow and go, where the seats fold into the floor. DVD player. The second row here, the windows come down about halfway. Backup camera, rear backup sensors. Rear wiper. Lots of cargo room in these, even without putting the seats down. Nice deep well for luggage, what have you. Power lift gate. Nice van. Again, 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Certified. 31,000 miles here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.